Let's see if we're on the right channel. I guess not. I think I have to tell it first. And then switch to the channel. Oh, yeah, there we are. I got to search for the... And there we got him. And there we go. I switched to English.
So the camera directly transmits to this TFT.
So
display.
we got here the diversity data link. So we got on two sides.
So you have separate data and video link? The data, you have a separate...
the data link is on two different channels. So if one is somehow
blocked,
the other one's working.
Oh yeah, okay.
You will here have the status display where you see battery power dropping, and you will get an acoustic warning and visual warning if you're going to a certain level where you need to land. GPS reception is good.
Yeah.
So wait, I will just show you some more details here. Wait a second, I need to go to the expert mode.
Is this English, by the way? I still know.
Oh,
that's
what's the wrong? I choose English. So now I'm in the on the other status display where you see the orientation. So if you would lose the orientation of the system, if you're going far away, you can just move. Here you see the falcon shape. You can just move it to the top again, and then go backwards. So then it's definitely away from you, and you can fly back to you. So this helps if you're flying far away.
Is this your coordinates as standing, or?
It's standing from this home position. Okay. It will remember its home position where it stays, and if it's flying away, then it's like this direction will show to the front. For example, here GPS reception is really good at the moment, so the satellite constellation must be really good. We have like a estimated accuracy of 1.2 meters for the position, which is really good. There's some data, the data links, and two separate data links, some orientation.
So these things you have attached separately, right? With the Futaba RC controller? Does it come?
So a lot of this stuff is transmitted by the XP, for example, of the Pelican.
Right.
So for example, the attitude, the GPS data, and so on.
Yeah.
You can just see it on in the autopilot control software.
Yeah.
Monitor the battery also. So here you see you can switch up and down the camera, completely upwards, downwards. This is more like fine tuning. And here we got our three modes. This is like GPS mode is completely on. This would be the height mode. GPS is off, and this would be manual mode. Okay, but usually you just fly it in the GPS mode or height mode. And here you always see GPS mode active.
So currently, do you? You have pre-programmed waypoints already?
No.
In this area?
Well, I guess we'll have some waypoints here, but usually it's like you can fly on a position and really choose your camera view, and then save this camera view. It's like saving this waypoint, the height, the orientation of the camera. And then you can go there next week and go to this waypoint, and we'll just take the same picture again. So this for photographers, for like long-term documentations, it's quite interesting. Also used with the Pelican in your software. For example, come home straight means the system will go on the same. If you lose the data link, the system will hold its height and come directly to the home position and land there automatically. Okay, and it will remember the home position where it starts the motors. Okay, I will choose this.
Yeah.
So
And
the version before was just tries to land.
Yes. I'll do a short check.
Can you see the camera?
Okay. And just. And now if I am doing nothing, you see in the GPS mode it's really easy.
Yeah. Right.
At the moment, the 1 meter accuracy seems to be true.
It's a little bit of wind now.
Really good.
Yeah.
So at the moment we don't have a lot of wind, but well,
a little bit. Can't say.
no, not really. But it's a little bit higher.
So how much height is it now?
Here you can check it now. We're on 50 meters. 60.
Link weak.
Oh,
Link
link weak. Interesting.
60 meters.
We are allowed to go up to 100 meters
100
here.
meters. Okay.
So
That is quite high. Now. I think we went to 30 or 40 and
well, yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. This one is a little larger, especially when you're looking upwards. You see the V shape really good. If you're going far away, it's
you can't
really flat, so it's not so easy to see like the pelican.
Yeah, in pelican you can't say which is the heading basically. The nose you can't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, now here you have like
this is
several options, like here now for our photographers doing an automatic panorama shot. So it will shoot like, okay, 360 degrees, it will shoot and then turn around automatically and so on.
Oh yeah.
So you don't really have to fly it, you just have to give commands.
Yeah.
So this just makes it quite easy to work with it.
So now it's just rotating and taking pictures.
Yeah. The complete system starts at approximately 18,000 euros for everything. Like you have the flight, and you have one camera, mobile ground station, some batteries, chargers, transport case. So like everything which you need to start working with the system.
Yeah.
So this is for the.
This is like, I think you are making this more and more towards the fully packaged product.
Yes. It's
Yeah.
really like, okay, learn one day and you can really start working with it and earn the money back.
Yeah.
So this is what we are trying to develop.
Yeah.
And this is really working already.
Mm-hmm.
Really easy to use. So, yeah, we're always taking feedback from our customers and try to put it in the system.
Yeah.
I have one kind of feedback to the high level and low level processors.
Yeah.
We had to program the high level processor and wanted to sometimes use the waypoint navigation, but it wasn't possible to send commands directly to the low level processor. So we had to go over the.
So can you see the wind speed there? Like, does it show?
No, it does not, but you can estimate the wind speed by looking at the angles. So at the moment they are really small, like only 1-2 degrees in the
But what about
average.
the drift? Like,
the what?
can you get like how much is drifting per second, or from the position it flew to? From? Can it tell that?
No, you cannot really see it. I mean, if you're like away from the position where you should be.
Yeah. I mean that kind of drifted.
No, we don't have it implemented, but I think we will do that because we just found out, hey, why don't we give a warning if the system will go too far away from its
from the homing,
from the go-to position. This will tell you, okay, now the wind is too strong to keep its position. This is what we are going to. And
did you say that this monitor would also have like a Google Map thing? Does it have it here?
No. The Google Map thing, what I told you was like a post-processing thing where you can see where you went.
I see. Right. Makes sense.
Which you can use for. It's not such a problem here because here the electronics are quite protected.
What about the camera?
Can I move it too?
Oh, right.
So this is for a harsh movement, so completely up, completely down, and this is for like fine tuning around this position. So you can move it like when you go to left and right, move it up and down, and also trigger the camera here. Just use the black button to shoot a picture.
Which one?
Here on the top.
Oh yeah, okay. I see. That's pretty handy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's pretty well customized actually. Can it see us?
You can also see the last picture, for example, here.
Oh yeah.
And you have the chance to start a video. And for example, we now have the possibility to command each single motor. So you can give a thrust signal from like 0 to 100 or something to every motor.
Yeah.
So you can do really low level stuff on the high level now.
Yeah. We did with